Welcome to Above the Vines. Today we're visiting Bokisch Winery, nestled among the rolling hills of Lodi wine country, a place where Spanish wine traditions meet California sunshine, and where a simple afternoon can feel like a journey much farther from home. When most people think of Lodi wine country, they picture flat vineyard roads stretching toward the horizon. Then there's Bokisch. The moment you arrive, the landscape changes. Rolling hills rise above the vineyards. Oak trees dot the countryside. The breeze moves through the vines, and suddenly it feels like you've discovered a different side of the region. Maybe that's what makes this place memorable. It isn't trying to recreate Spain. It's bringing a little piece of Spain here. The wines tell that story. Spanish varietals, Spanish influence, a connection to traditions that have traveled across an ocean and found a home in California soil. And somehow it works beautifully. People gather on the patio, share a bottle, bring food, stay a little longer than they planned. The pace feels different here, a little slower, a little more relaxed, like the Spanish idea of sobremesa, the tradition of lingering around the table long after the meal is over, enjoying conversation, friendship, and the simple pleasure of being together. You can feel that spirit at Bokisch, not rushed, not complicated, just good wine, open skies, and a reminder that some of life's best moments happen when nobody is watching the clock.
I've seen good people lose their way too fast, running from the ghosts of their broken past. Some chase money, some chase fame, but everybody's just trying to ease their pain. So I sit back slow as the evening falls, listening close when the spirit calls. Life ain't easy, but the blessing's real. Sometimes gratitude is the way we heal. I need me wine. I need me wine. I need me wine. Let it calm my soul and ease my mind. After all the storms and the hard times, I need me wine. I need me wine. I need me wine. For the nights we cried, for the days we tried, for the dreams that broke along the way, for the hope we keep, for the prayers we speak, for the light that comes another day. I need me wine. I need me wine. I need me wine. Let it wash the dust from the road I ride. Let it bring the peace.
As the sun begins to settle over the hills, it's easy to see why people keep coming back. Not just for the wine, but for the feeling. A place that feels both California and a little bit Spain at the same time. And for a few hours, that's a pretty good place to be. What winery should we visit next? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you next time on Above the Vines.